Hey guys, welcome back to another short video. I know I'm kind of late to this, but today I am going to be showing you the hidden construction site in Greenville and how to get there. So, if you just want to know where it is, it's right on the other side of the street from the WSP station and across the street from the existing fire department. I believe this is going to be that new fire department they're talking about, and I have a feeling, just like IRL, they're going to be turning the fire department into some sort of Greenville municipal building. But anyway, we're going to be time-lapsing, and I'll talk more when we get there. And we are nearing it now. You can probably see it right there. And here we are, the new construction site in Greenville. Pretty cool, huh? I'll probably be publishing a construction RP video here soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you have notifications on, and of course, there was me screenshotting that delicious, beautiful thumbnail. And here I am trying to maybe do some donuts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.